Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has pointed out why the AFCON semi-final clash between Nigeria and his side will be special for both teams. The Belgian tactician helped South Africa reach the competition's semi-final for the first time since 2000. They edged out Cape Verde via the penalty shootout, while Nigeria knocked out Angola to secure the spot in the last four. The two sides will meet on Wednesday, 7 February at 7 o'clock p.m. Broos says the Super Eagles have backed up their spirits in the tournament, getting better in each game they have played. He sang praises of their striking department, singing out Atalanta forward Ademola Lookman for his prose. He said the match will be special for both sides as they will test each other before they meet again in the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifiers. He said, I think Nigeria is a team that became every day better and better. When I saw them playing yesterday, I see they are a good team. They have a good striking department. There are also few good players like Ademola Lookman. He's a very good player, so we have to analyze them a bit more. From tomorrow, we start analyzing and we will see how we can use the weaknesses in this team, but also they have a lot of qualities in that team. It's for both teams a little bit special because in a few months we will play against each other in the World Cup qualifiers, so it's a test for both of us. In the World Cup qualifiers, South Africa will play Nigeria in June this year before they face off in the second round in September next year.
I think a lot. We came here and I think there were many people in South Africa that didn't believe in that team. But we believed in it. The players believed in the fact that it could happen. And it happened. And I think this is a very, very good thing for South African football. Players are in the picture. South African players are in the picture now. So that means there will be more interest for South African football.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.